wink, yawn, eye roll, shrug, pout, frown, fish lips, blow a kiss, cheek puff, nose scrunch, facepalm, words in action, wink, she winks playfully, yawn, she is yawning with eyes closed, eye roll, she is eye-rolling hard, shrug, she is shrugging, unsure, pout, you pout when you're upset, frown, you frown when something bothers you, fish lips, fish lips make everyone laugh, blow a kiss to say hi, cheek puff, can you do a cheek puff too? Nose scrunch, she loves doing a nose scrunch, facepalm, you do facepalm when things go wrong. Which face made you laugh?